Hi guys, I'm Bea from Mundo and today I'm going to show you how to make this delicious no-churn mango ice cream.
So creamy!
First, we're going to add 1 pound of ripe frozen mango into our food processor bowl here. You can use other fruits like raspberry, blueberry or even peach. To that, I'm going to add half pound of ripe frozen banana. Now, half cup of unsweetened full-fat yogurt. And you know what? Greek yogurt also works great in this. I'm adding 2 tablespoons of honey as our sweetener. But if you're not into honey, you can simply use maple or coconut syrup. Banana, yogurt and honey are what's going to help us to get that super creamy ice cream without having to use an ice cream machine. Now, let's blend everything together until we get a soft mixture. It's super creamy, right? You can soft serve this ice cream as is at this point, no problem at all. What I like to do is just put it in a container and freeze it for a few hours so that it gets more solid.
So you can get the written ingredients and tips in our website, elmundoeats.com.
Cover with a parchment paper to avoid any crystallizations. Now into the freezer for 4 hours. Here is what it's going to look like after. Thanks for watching, guys.